minus 22. Hey, is it cold? Oh, it's not cold for you, is it? Is it? But yeah, guess what? On ice, on ice. Look at those bumpers. Nice bumpers, Derek. We're gonna move the truck forward. Moving the truck forward. Yeah. I'll do it because I'm fat, Derek. I'm fat. Redneck Superstore. We went and saw Nathan, and he helped us assemble this absolutely insane, what do you call it? Steering column. Hey, Derek? Because when we disassembled it,
we were drunk.
No, we weren't drunk, but it barfed out about 100 pieces. We had no idea where they all went. Hey, what do you want me to do, Derek? I got to do something. And we should tape that thing on, he said. This will be awesome because we'll be able to drive it. Holy shit, there's 100-mile-an-hour winds out there, Derek. Tailgate's going on.
So I'm just going to do these snug.
Yeah. That looks better. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Hey, Derek. Does that look good?
Looks good.
All right.
I'm going to put one of your brackets on there.
Okay. I got to just hold this in the air, right? How strong am I today? Like moose. Ha! Tailgate's on. What's this? What's this? Don't close tailgate. We've got a little adjustment to make here, and if this gate closes, it's gonna hit right there. Bam! So, my son-in-laws or my son comes in here and goes, oh, look at a tailgate. Hope he reads that, because there'll be a big chip out of that fender if he don't. Look at that. Oh, there's Derek. We did the shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmaroo. Shim, shimmaroo. And we got this thing so it's lined up now. Shimmy, shim on this side. Woohoo! Shim, shimmaroo. Tailgate's on. We had to do some adjustments, put some shims in here, shims in there. We're still got the don't close sign because it moves side to side. That we gotta fix. So we need to put a rubber washer or a stop in this on this side. That's the plan. Right, Derek?
That's right.
All right. Let's close her up. gray, baby. Gunmetal gray. What? Oh, is this gonna look good? Oh, there's a little bit of dust. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. All better. Woo! Oh, boys are going for a walk. Okay, what next? This thing?
That thing. Turn it around. Nope, turn it around.
This way?
Ah, the boy.
Goes through there then, eh? Must do.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you gotta line them holes up.
Okay. And then my bolts, right?
No,
The spring.
steering wheel.
The bolts. Okay.
Steering wheel's gotta go on first.
Here's that extra piece. We'll save that. What about this thing?
That goes on after the steering wheel.
Okay, steering wheel's next. Wowzers.
Get your center piece in there.
Okay.
That piece that you showed me.
Piece that I'm with, sorry.
That round piece.
Yeah. We're not on there yet.
Okay, hang on a sec, because you might be able to put your nut on now.
I've got a big fucking washer here too. I got these too.
Yeah, but they don't go on. They go inside that ring.
Okay. Look at that. Steering wheel just went in. Wow. Hey, Derek. Oh, and look at that. That beer holder right there. I guess I got to strip off this,
Any more sockets in there?
just a wrench. All right. The unveilment. The unveilment, Derek. It's like the first real date, you know? Hey? It's like, damn, what's underneath that dress? Hey, can I say that? Oh, well, I should be peeling it off slowly, shouldn't I? Not just tearing at her. I can't do this with one hand.
How much of a hurry you are.
I'm a two-hand man. Cowling's on. Not bolted down yet. But look, a steering wheel. Oh, and Derek, what are you doing down there, Derek? Steering wheel is on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at, holy shit! It's coming together. Woo-wee!
Tailgate, get a picture of the tailgate on there.
Yeah, I got a picture of the tailgate. Sure, we can't close it, but what the hell? It still looks awesome.
Time is breaking. Time is all we have to hold. Think the moments passed me by. The moments passed me by. It won't be for long. It won't be for long. Time's in my hand. Time's in my hands. All the time is in my hands. Where life is always changing. Life is all we need to know. I can think the moments passed me by. The moments passed me by. Won't be long. It won't be long now. Time's in my hands. Time's in my hands. all the time.